I disabled this Play Store setting and my Android became faster. Have you ever felt like your Android phone gets slower over time even though you haven't installed anything major for yourself? Apps taking longer to open, battery drains faster, storage keeps disappearing, and your phone seems to be doing something in the background all the time. Well, one Play Store setting could be contributing to that. So, let's talk about it. Now, the setting is auto update apps over any network. By default, many Android services are configured to automatically update apps in the background. Now, that means your phone regularly checks for updates, downloads updates, installs updates, and optimizes apps after installation, runs background processes related to those updates. Now, most of the time, this happens without you even noticing. So, how do you go ahead and fix that? First of all, you're going to open up your Google Play Store, and on the left hand taskbar side, you're going to see settings. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the settings, and once you go to the settings, right over here in general, you're going to find auto update apps. Now, once you do that, here it's going to be giving you options like over any network, over Wi-Fi only, or don't auto update apps. Now, if your goal is maximum control, choose don't auto update apps, or at least over Wi-Fi only. Now this prevents unexpected updates during active phone use. Now many users report improvements such as less background activity, reduced battery drain, and more predictable performance. So the Play Store setting that many people disable is automatic app updates, and while it won't magically double your phone's performance, it can reduce a lot of background activity, improve responsiveness on older devices, and give you more control over what happens on your phone. So the key is balance. Don't ignore updates completely, just decide when and how they happen, because sometimes the fastest phone is not the one with the most powerful hardware. It's the one doing the fewest unnecessary things in the background. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.